Today we got a video from Arrest Cam, and the title of the video is "She Ran from Deputies, Now She's Doing 15 Years."
The Charlotte County Sheriff's Office Narcotics Unit was watching a suspect with an active felony warrant when they called for assistance. Deputy Doyle responded and attempted initial contact.
You're right here.
Hands! 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 Get out of the
The tree?
Taser! 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 Taser!
No, I got it.
I got it! I got it!
Don't taste it. Don't taste it.
What are you doing?
You are under arrest!
Why?
Why? Oh, that's a dumb question. She's a driver. Yes. Go back to the car. Watch the car.
For what?
For what? What did you just do?
Well, I just crashed the car.
Yeah, because you're stupid. That's why.
What are you coming at me for?
You have warrants for your arrest, young lady. Number one. Number two, when you see a police officer, you don't flee. And I don't even know if you don't have a license. So that's why you're in handcuffs, okay?
Okay.
Hold on, let me double lock them. Get this one?
Yeah, I did.
All right.
Roll around.
Can you just stay on it for a second? Hey, stop yelling. Yeah, stop yelling. If listen to me, I'll put you on the ground very fast.
Why?
Stop yelling. You're under arrest. You're not going to be yelling in public. You got me?
Yes.
You be cool. We'll treat you cool.
Okay.
It's very, very simple. All you got to do is follow orders, okay?
60. Something right here.
The female unit's almost here, too.
No.
No, what?
No.
Young lady, you're not going to dictate what happens. You understand? Okay?
Sir.
You are not in control, and you are not in charge. Okay? I know it was a little bit much, but it's all done. No hard feelings, okay? But again, as long as you act like a young lady, an adult, we'll treat you as such, okay? But the minute you get out of control, you're going to get treated like that, okay? Zero tolerance. You understand me?
Yes, sir.
All right. I appreciate that. Thank you. Because you did some damage to this gentleman's nice truck, okay? Well, frankly, you didn't need to
Zone.
away like you did, but that is what it is.
Getting arrested?
Oh.
Do you have a license?
Yes, sir.
I'm gonna check. I just want to make sure. Let me give Central her information.
Hey. In the ambulance? Check you out.
Are we gonna play this game now too?
She got an ankle monitor on?
Perfectly fine until.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. Star one Central. Go ahead and start EMS. Reference this female. She appears to be allergic to handcuffs.
She appears to be allergic to handcuffs. Yo. Now that's funny.
Sit up.
Stupid games, man.
Stay there. Stop acting a fool, okay? All you're gonna do is delay going to jail. And you ain't gonna get food.
Holy crap, she actually got you. Oh man, totally sorry you guys had to deal with that. We're gonna get your information shortly. Who does this truck belong to? Okay, we'll get your information shortly. Basically since we're working a crash and all that. She is currently going to jail. She had a warrant. Sorry you even had to be in the middle of all this, so.
Do you know if she has insurance by any chance?
We're about to figure that out. I don't know the information for the car and everything, but I'll figure that out shortly. All right.
I feel like I've seen this video before, but I don't remember it. I remember little I didn't really remember that part, but this part I remember a little bit, hitting a truck and stuff. But man, we do so many videos on these channels, and a lot of it. Let me see, when did this come out? 3 days ago. See, but it could be on another. It could be from another channel. You know, because some of these channels they put out similar videos or the same videos, but I feel like I've seen this, but I'm gonna watch it anyway just because I don't fully remember it. But you know, yeah, I feel like I've seen this before. I don't know if I recorded it, but yeah. Anyway, let's continue.
And you said you witnessed this, is correct,
Yeah,
sir?
the whole thing. I went back in and got him and told him, asked
Well, luckily you did see it, so that
the
helped.
whole thing.
That helped us out a lot because you know who the car belonged to, so made it a lot easier instead of us running around.
Right.
Hey, who does the red truck belong to? You know.
That's what I did.
So, well, appreciate that. Thanks for doing that part for us. I'll talk to you guys shortly. All right.
Hey, if you see a black long sleeve shirt here that says USA in white letters on the front, CID's looking for it because I guess she just did a theft at Walmart and they got her on video.
So black. Okay.
Black long sleeve shirt.
Okay.
With USA in white letters.
All right. Sounds good.
All right, hon, I'm going to give you the same opportunity I give everyone. I'm going to ask the same questions I ask every single person. You have anything on you that's going to poke me, stick me, stab me, hurt me in any way? Okay. Do you have anything on you that you should not have on you when you go into the jail? The reason I'm asking is...
It's a third-degree felony.
Right, yeah. You're going to go through a body scanner, so they're going to be able to... Okay. I just like to ask and give everyone that opportunity, okay?
This is that's a strip search. You can't.
I'm not stripping you down. I'm checking your waistline.
You have to pat from the outside. Man.
Nope, you're under arrest. I can search anywhere I want.
Thank you.
Yep, have a seat. On the ground. I want you to kick off one of your shoes for me, one at a time. Or both, doesn't matter.
She got a price tag in them.
Hi.
See, yeah, I don't remember all those.
I have no idea. I just came here for a search. Hey,
Called for why?
what does she need EMS for?
I don't know if she passed out. We just want to make sure she's okay. She's going to jail for a warrant. Hey, my name's Nick.
I'm fine.
Yeah, you're good.
Okay.
Sorry, guys.
Big waste of time.
It's right here. Here, pick this up. So I'm gonna put it on the seat. It's like, so we don't lose it.
Oh, okay.
It was literally right here.
But I'm sure.
Here, pick this up. So I'm gonna put it on the seat. It's like, so we don't lose it.
Oh, okay.
It was literally right here.
Hey, what did you see right there when you?
I had blue, some pills.
Oh, you said you noticed that right away.
Yeah, as soon as I opened the door.
Okay.
Some shrooms she got here.
Nah, we're gonna have this thing's gonna be full.
Full?
But I haven't even opened up the big bag yet. She got pills. I'm not gonna take everything out yet.
Yep, she's got a big bag.
Yeah. Oh snap, dude, she is. Hey,
Beautiful. Beautiful.
this whole thing is stopped. I'm just gonna leave everything in this bag.
We're taking the whole.
We're just gonna take the whole bag. And I haven't checked that bag yet, so.
Jesus, dude.
Oh, actually, here comes the ID right here.
Whose ID is to say?
Samantha.
She's screwed.
That's her. That was in the bag then?
That was in the bag?
Mm-hmm.
I'm not sure.
Well, that's why she's running. She's running because she's probably gonna go back to prison now. When did she start selling again, huh?
We think she just picked up because I followed the dude, the dope boy. I followed the dope boy all the way to her. So
See, yeah, I don't remember all of this. I only remember that part, like that truck part. Like, for some reason, that's sticking out to me. And she looks familiar, but I don't know, maybe. But all of this other stuff, I don't remember any of this. I don't remember none of this.
it's kind of what happened. And then her friend that she came here with is wandering over there because she went into Ollie's.
They said she had a summons or something? Is that what they said?
A warrant.
Yeah, she's screwed.
She's stealing from Ollie's?
Is there new stuff in there? Uh-oh.
She probably stole the shit with her stuff.
I mean, there ain't no way she got money for all this.
No, because she was seen walking in and out like numerous times. She probably stole all this shit.
Hey, are you taking photos of this? Because I don't know how you're going to remember all this. Because
No, I'll photograph everyone.
let me put it back in.
Yeah.
Hey, Sarge.
Yes.
They say there's a one more case for her too, or
They're apparently working one now, and he sent me the photo. It's her. But
do they know what day or no?
it's a fetus.
Okay,
You can call her.
I'll call them.
She's got a bunch of Ollie stuff in here too. That probably
Okay,
should
because, but she was in the photo. She's wearing a long sleeve black shirt that says USA in white letters. So he was asking if that was what she was wearing, but she's
Okay.
not right now.
There's a lot of Ollie stuff in here too.
Yeah, I don't know what they saw with her coming and going.
Yeah, I'm not sure if she bought them or if they actually.
So, do that. Let me get this guy's information so I can get him his for the crash.
All right, Samantha, let's get up.
Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Go ahead and put your feet in.
If she don't got insurance, that guy is screwed, man. That'd be the worst part about car accidents. When you get into a car accident, you're just like sitting there patiently waiting to find out, do they have insurance? Like, that's what you're patiently waiting for.
Didn't you pay for any of the stuff from Ollie's?
It's not my stuff.
Okay, cool. That's not my stuff.
She's good then. Check. Hey, listen to me. Was there anything on you we didn't find? We're gonna go to the jail. You're gonna go through. I'm gonna tell you anyways. You're gonna go through a body scanner. If anything's found on you, you're gonna get charged for it.
Third-degree felony.
Yep. Well, I'm gonna tell you every time. So.
Come on, man.
Yeah, it's on.
This is her sweater, her purse.
In the end, 29-year-old Samantha was charged with possession of cocaine, trafficking fentanyl, possession of marijuana.
All right. I'm pausing all of this because that joint gonna sound crazy. But yeah. So these are all the charges here. I'll make it big, just so everyone can see it. But saying the words and all of that is gonna sound crazy on here and probably get demonetized. So yeah. So yeah, that's that. Okay, and then hold on. Let me fast forward a little bit because I think they're gonna talk about.
Remains ongoing. Samantha was found guilty of her priors that include using a two-way communication device to facilitate a felony, possession of methamphetamine with the intent to sell, selling methamphetamine, and use or possession of drug paraphernalia. The court determined that she was a habitual felony offender and sentenced her to 15 years in prison. Since being imprisoned, she has been charged with felony battery by a person detained in a prison facility. If you like this video and want to see more like it,
Yeah, I don't remember all of that. See, yeah. But 15 years. That's what happens. You know, people don't respect their freedom. They take it for granted. You know, that happens a lot. You know, she had an ankle monitor on. She's already been in trouble. But what is she doing to go get money? She don't want to go get a job. She don't want to go do something productive. So she'll go back to whatever it is that she knows. And that could be selling, right? But you're not good at it. You got caught the first time. So what do you expect is going to happen the next time? You're going to get caught again. So whew, now you're sitting in there for 15 years? That's crazy. And this happened in 2025? Damn. I don't know what I'll be doing in 15 years. I'm gonna be an old man. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna be in my 40s. No, wait. Yeah, I'll be in my 40s, man. 32. Well, this happened last year, so I'll be 40. What? 46? Beard will be all gray. You know, might have a little one running around. Yeah, in 15 years, yeah, you know. I don't know if I'll still be on YouTube. Maybe. Who knows? Who knows, man? That's crazy, though. Crazy. People not respecting their freedom. If you would like to support the channel, make sure you like, subscribe, and comment. Also, hype the video. YouTube has a new feature where you can hype the video. Helps it gets pushed out into the algorithm. Those are all free things to do. If you're looking for some paid options, you can also send a super thanks, super sticker, or look in the description for our YouTube membership and our Patreon link. And I'll catch you in the next video. Thank you. Your support is greatly appreciated.